Hello, are you seeking for push button lock? I would like to introduce a classic push button lock to you. Zinc alloy knob and the plastic base. Prise smoothly. The cutout size is 26 millimeters. For a regular lock, the door thickness is 16 to 18 millimeters. If you need use it for door thickness in 15 millimeters, we will provide a 3 millimeter gasket for you. If you want use it in door thickness in 20 millimeters, we will provide a 4 millimeter gasket for you. We can customize locks for different door thickness according to your needs. For this lock, we have two styles, this one and this one. If you are interested in this product, please contact me to inquiry or get samples.